Okay guys, today I just shared how you can connect your Squarespace domain in the hosting or hosting servers. So at first you need to log in your Squarespace account, then you just log in your hostinger account. So I just go my hostinger account at first, then I already purchased the hosting plan, so I just click website option, and I want to install WordPress in the hostinger server, so I just select myself or my business, then click next, and you select create a website, then next, and yes, definitely I will select WordPress, then click next. Yes, here require the login information, so you just put your login information in here. Okay, I place my password and username, then I just click next, then I will click create blank site, then you just place here your existing domain name. So I just place here the domain name, this domain hosted by Squarespace, so I just place here, and here you can see registered at another provider, so you just click the select option. Okay, then you can click next button, and you can select the country, so I just randomly select this in like Indonesia, then click next, and yeah, it will take few seconds to install the WordPress. Perfect, our WordPress already installed our hostinger hosting server. So here you can see the error already showing, so now we just connect the name server. So at first we take the name server in the hostinger. Okay, so you just click main menu, then click website, then you can see the domain not connected, so I just click the connect option. Then you can select the provider option, so I will choose like a others option, then click let's start. Then you can copy the first DNS IP. Okay, then go to Squarespace account, and here you can click the domains option, then you need to click in this domain option. Okay, then in the left side you can see the DNS option, just click this, and here available domain name server, so you just click here, and here you can see the used custom name server option, you just click and place the first name server, and go again the hostinger and click second one, the copy this name, and go again the Squarespace and click here, then click save. Perfect, our name server it's already added done, so it takes few hours, like 24 hours or 48 hours to approval the domain and successfully connect the hostinger hosting server. So yeah, after few hours our domain are successfully hosted in hostinger hosting server, you can see. And when I refresh, then again you can see. Perfect, so now you can easily use WordPress in this hosting server. If this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe the channel, and see you in the next time.